Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi A2. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we've got brightness level. On this slider we can change it. Then we can enable or disable adaptive brightness. Next we can change lock screen preferences like privacy, add text on lock screen, show wallet, show device controls, control from lock device and double line clock. Next we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. And then we can enable or disable dark theme and schedule it. Next we can change display size and text size, enable or disable bold text and high contrast text. Then we can enable or disable night light, schedule it and change its intensity. Then we can enable or disable auto rotate screen, outdoor mode and lift to wake. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.